Good night.
Okay, let's get started with the questions. First one, tell us about yourself.
I am currently studying of the software test processing technician.
Okay, second, what motivates you?
I am motivated to study this career because it is a diverse professional field. It has a high demand for work. It has good remuneration and you can work remotely.
Okay, third, what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are shopping, cooking, and taking photos.
Okay. Fourth, what are your future plans if you get this job?
Why, with this job, I want to travel and acquire some things.
Okay. Fifth, what are your future goals or what are your career goals?
I want to get this job because I am sure it will help my apply my skills and technical competences.
Okay, sixth, what do you see as a major success in your life?
Live, live the way you want to.
7. Why did you leave your last job?
I left my last job to take care of my baby.
Okay, 8. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I see myself being a great professional in software test processing.